Good evening, Shreyas. Your
Good evening.
GD was held on which date?
It was on 22, sir.
22. Acha. But then the result was delayed. You got it on 24th or so. There was a delay of 1 day delay, because that Fed Recruit app was not working properly on 1 day. Doesn't matter. You got the result. Very good. Congrats. Now,
Thank you.
can you please tell us about yourself, the way you would like to present yourself to Federal Bank interviewers? You will be having 2 interviewers normally, 2 young people, not very old like me. You must have known that even in Karnataka Bank, you must have seen. Were they
Right.
old? Karnataka Bank, were they old people or young?
They were pretty much young, sir. They were around 40s. So they were.
Similarly, you will get here also like that. And can you please tell me about yourself?
Yeah. Myself, Shreyas Avinash Kale. My hometown is Nagpur. I am a MCom postgraduate. I was a former president of Rotary Club back in the year 2019. I do have a work experience in TCS for 1.5 years, as well as right now I'm working in Karnataka Bank's Corporate Finance Branch Credit Department from last 9 months.
Oh, good. You are in Delhi branch?
Yes, New Delhi, Connaught Place.
How did you go there very happily? Because the cost of living in Delhi is very high. How do you manage that?
So honestly, it's not that much because my hometown is Nagpur only, so cost of living is almost same as compared to Delhi.
Oh,
So, and the salary is also good, so that's not
problem.
that much.
What is the salary you get now as a clerk?
My gross is around 43,000 and take home is around 36,000.
36,000. Good. Excellent.
And I don't have that much responsibility, so it is easy to manage.
Why do you say you don't have responsibility? Tell us about your family.
My mother is a government employee, sir, and she is in a Nagpur University, and my father is a supervisor in an MBA college. And my brother is right now pursuing final year of graduation. So all I have to take care is all about myself. So
Good.
that's why.
So have you started saving money for yourself?
Yes, sir. That's for sure. Right now, I'm investing in mutual fund and all that.
Why don't you invest in life insurance also? You are not interested in that?
I do have a term life insurance, sir.
Acha, good. Excellent. From which company?
It is from Bharti AXA.
Acha. Good. Why did you choose that Bharti AXA?
Because first of all, it is having a tie-up with our own bank. So it will, for in a future time, it will be easy for me for the settlement scene. Moreover, the premium was actually more suitable for the competitive rate also. In just of 10,000, they were offering me the sum assured of 50 lakh. So it was pretty much a good deal for me.
50 lakhs assurance for
pay till 60, sir. It is still pay till 60. Premium of 10,000 annually. And sum assured of 10 lakh in term life insurance, 50 lakh.
Every year we have to pay 10,000 till our attaining 60. That means another probably 37 years, 36 years.
Yeah.
And 50 lakhs is a guarantee. And at the, supposing I wish you survive till 61, then will they give some money or nothing?
That is my assurance is still 80, sir. Till 80, I am under that plan. I have to pay till 60, but I am assured that plan till 80.
Good. That is really good. You pay up to 60, but after that, even if something happens in 75th year, your family will get 50 lakhs. But in those days, 50 lakhs will be equivalent to 2 lakhs of this day.
Because of inflation and all.
Because of inflation, the value of money, value of money will be very low. Very good. So now you said you are working in Karnataka Bank as a clerk. In which branch you said?
corporate finance, sir.
I have not heard about it because when I was in bank, there was no corporate and finance and all that. Now tell
Uh,
us, what are you doing? What is the business figures of your branch?
Okay. So as I'm in a corporate finance branch credit department, so the figures are actually pretty much familiar to me because I do it on a daily basis. So CASA is around 54 crores, core deposit is around 216 crores, performing advances are around 3,564 crores, NP is around 50 crores, turnover is around 6,000 crores.
Very good. बहुत बड़ा figure है. The branch is
Uh,
headed by general manager or deputy general manager?
AGM, sir, AGM, skill 5.
Only AGM. Oh,
Yes, sir.
how many of you are working in that branch?
Around 12 to 13 people.
How many officers? How many clerical?
Officers are around 3 officers, 2 scale 2 manager, 1 scale 3 manager, and 4 clericals.
अच्छा, what is the responsibility for clerical staff? आप लोग का काम होता है नहीं होता है?
Right. Actually, clericals are basically bifurcated into various departments. 2 clericals are in retained department, 1 is in cash, and 1 is in credit. So I sit in credit department.
Under credit department, what is it you are doing?
Sorry, sir, there was a noise at background. Can you
Now,
please repeat?
in credit department, what is the function you are doing?
Yeah. So as I was fortunate enough to get roles and responsibilities in credit department of a corporate finance branch, which normally so I got a chance to learn so many new things, which were stock statement analysis, updation of a drawing power in a OD account, creation of exchange of information, confidential opinion report, sanction intimation, as well as some days I used to work in a retail counter also. So I know some work of that also, as well as cash counter.
But considering it is a corporate finance branch, there will not be a lot of footfalls. ना ज़्यादा लोग तो आएगा नहीं.
Right.
ज़्यादा लोग.
Retail customers are next to negligible.
अच्छा, can you name 1 or 2 big companies they have accounts with you?
Yeah, sure, sir. It is Arunachal Pradesh Power Corporation as in the Pesalo.
What is that Pesalo?
Pesalo is a NBFC, sir, who lends to retail customers.
Achha, I don't know. Good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Now, why do you want to switch over to our federal bank? You are very happy in Karnataka Bank.
Because it's been almost 9 months that I've been working in the Karnataka banks, and in order to grow further my career, so I feel Federal Bank is the correct opportunity because not only it will help me grow in my career, but it also help me to gain more knowledge as an officer in a Federal Bank.
Now, please tell me, have you joined JAIB classes? No.
Yes, sir. In my
Should-
first attempt only, I cleared 3 exams in JIB. Now only 1 to go. That too without any examination. Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Excellent. Can you please tell me what are the subjects that are asked in the present day in your JAIB? Because what I know is old syllabus. What are the
Yeah,
subjects in
sure.
JAIB?
Sure.
Tell me.
First one was retail management, retail and wealth management.
1 minute. Retail and wealth management. Then
Yes. Then next one was accounting, financial accounting.
okay. Then
Then third one was Indian economy.
okay. Next one.
And the last one was
Practice of banking.
yes. Principles and practices of bank.
आपने किस पेपर को पास नहीं हुआ?
Indian economy one, sir. Only that one is left. Rest all 3 are clear.
अच्छा, उसको पढ़ा नहीं आपने? Probably.
Nahi, sir. I was pretty much prepared for it, but what happened now? Many statistics and current affair questions got in the exam.
अच्छा.
So hence I just missed that exam by 3 marks, sir. I scored actually 47 or 46 something out of 50.
Very good. Very good. Now, what is the current inflation rate in our country?
Currently, it is 6.5%, sir. What I believe.
Are you sure? No. The last month it was 7.4 or so.
Oh,
You must go through latest, say in the first week of August paper, if you see, it says the inflation is around 7.4%. And in spite of it, in the Monetary Policy Committee, Reserve Bank has not revised the rate. They wanted to keep the rates as it is.
Sure, sir. I'll
Please
just
check it up, whether it is 7.4 or 7.7, check up कर दीजिए.
sure, sir. I'll do that.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा जी, अभी जीडीपी का बारे में भी बहुत चर्चा चलता है that GDP is going down or going up. What is happening now?
Our GDP is definitely going up, sir. Our nominal GDP is currently standing at $3.75 trillion.
Good.
And we are among the fifth largest economy in the world.
Good. Excellent. Excellent. And now, can you please tell me what are the functions of a Reserve Bank of India?
Okay. First of all, our Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is known as the Apex Bank of India, as well as it is known as Bankers Bank, because it regulates all the banks in India. They creates all the rules and regulations for the bank. Moreover, it is also called as Government's Bank. It is also responsible for controlling the inflation in India. Moreover, they control the inflation by increasing the rate of interest via T-bill and a repo rate. Moreover, whenever the when sovereign gold bonds are also issued by
No,
okay,
you got stuck up. Number one, Bankers Bank. Number two, Bankers to Government. Number three, Note Issuing Authority. Number four, Foreign Exchange Control. Number five, Monetary Policy Controlling Authority. But what happened in your anxiety? You started repeating the same point, and there was some hesitation in your expressions. Probably you are not up to date. For example, you started bringing in treasury bills and all. वो इधर आने का जरूरत नहीं है. खाली अब ये बोलने से हो जाएगा. Reserve Bank of India controls inflation by increasing the repo rate.
Sure.
Now, can you please tell me what is the repo rate?
Sorry, sir.
What is the present repo rate?
Okay. It is around 6.5%, sir.
Around 6.5 or 6.5?
It is 6.5, sir.
Yeah. Now, what is the reverse repo rate now?
It is 3.15%.
Are you sure?
Sorry, 3.35%.
Correct. Now, what is the present standing deposit facility rate?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware of it.
6.25. What is the present bank rate?
Bank rate is around I'm not able to recall it, sir.
6.75. Bank rate is 6.75, and MSF rate, marginal standing facility rate, also 6.75. Now that you have passed principles of banking, you must be able to tell me. What is standing deposit facility? पता नहीं, भूल गया आपने. Standing deposit facility is a facility where banks can keep their surplus funds with Reserve Bank of India without being supported by government securities, for which RBI pays a rate of interest of 6.25%.
Okay, sir.
This is very much similar to reverse repo rate, where banks keep surplus funds with them, but supported by government securities. It is being supported by government securities, and there the rate of interest is 3.35%. Very good. So now, because you are a bank employee, I am asking you, what is the difference between bank rate and MSF rate?
Bank rate and
MSF rate, marginal standing facility rate.
Facility. Okay. So bank rate is something, uh, if the RBI is lending money to banks for more than for more than 28 days, then that will be called as a bank rate. And in case of marginal standing facility, RBI will lend to banks for only for a single day or a overnight. That will be called as a marginal standing facility.
Excellent. For meeting emergency needs. Good. Excellent. Excellent. That is also to be borrowed by giving government securities. It is not that RBI will give it free. So that's what it is. Good.
Right.
Excellent. You told nicely. Now, have you gone to Federal Bank's website?
Yes, sir. I was going through it a week back.
Acha. Can you please tell me the figures of our Federal Bank as on 30th June 2023?
Sure. So the net profit was around 853 crores. Interest earned on advances were around 5,000 crores. Interest paid on deposits was around 3,100 crores. Operating profit was around 1,300 crores. Gross NPAs are around 2.36% and net NPAs around 0.69%. And
2.36 or 2.38? I'm not sure.
2.3 2.38% was gross NPA and net NPA was 0.69%.
Yeah, apne 2.36, but you told me as 2.36. That's why I asked. No problem.
My bad, sir.
Yeah. No
Talking
problem.
about the
Yeah.
revenue. Okay. Shall I continue, sir?
No, continue.
Talking about the revenue share, the corporate business contributed around 1,600 crores and retail business contributed around 3,300 crores. That's it.
Yeah. Good. Excellent. 1 minute. Hold on. I am here with this. Oh, no, did you tell about the total deposits and advances? That is very important.
Not sure about the figures, sir, but the advances and deposits both grew about 20 and 21% respectively.
Yeah, not interested in how
sure
I am not
about,
interested in how much it has grown, but as on 30th June, mera figure 4.06 lakh crore.
Okay, sure.
And my deposit figure was 2.22 lakh crore.
Okay.
And
okay.
advance figure was 1.87 lakh crores. You please go through that. In fact,
sure.
I have given you in a material known as A 2022. I am giving all those things in our WhatsApp page.
Sure.
In our WhatsApp page, I am now giving one material that will give you Federal Bank interview folder link that you don't need. I have already given you. Another link will give you A 2022 Federal Bank interview question. That means 113 pages of questions asked in Federal Bank interviews. Then old 2022 Federal Bank interview questions. This contains more or less similar to what is there in 113 plus some extra material amounting to 189 pages.
Okay. Great, sir.
उसका पीछे में और एक लिंक दिया है जिसको हम बोल रहा हूं चैट जीपीटी डाउनलोड, जिसमें you will get nearly 110 pages of material which will be of use for you for say interviews also, and it is also useful for I started accumulating that for Bank of India guys who are going for group discussion.
Achha.
Even for them, those questions are also included in that one. So if you go through that, that will give you an idea of how you can answer the questions. Now you have
Right.
managed so far about your bank, about Federal Bank broadly as a whole. And now let me ask a question. Do you nowadays have to canvass some deposit and advances and all? कुछ जरूरत नहीं ना, आपको तो वो काम नहीं होगा.
So even though it is a corporate finance branch, sir, but still during CASA campaign, we have to canvas for CASA.
अच्छा.
And yes,
Oh, you have to go and request people to open account.
yeah, somewhat it is coming to the banking sector, sir, eventually.
Did you really canvass some CASA accounts?
Yes, sir, I have canvassed, and that too around two to three premium accounts, as well as 15 to 20 normal general accounts. I have canvassed till now.
Excellent, excellent. Very good, very happy. Who is the MD of our Karnataka Bank now?
It is Sri Krishnan Hariharan H.
Oh, good.
Previously, it was Mahabaleshwar, sir.
I am used to talking Mahabaleshwar, but now change ho gaya. I think I have been talking about him from 1920. Sorry, 2020. Not 1920. 2020. Yeah, I have been talking.
He was
Like
a great man, sir. He was a great man.
No. Good, good. Thank you. So now come to banking. Now, how will you canvass staff housing loan accounts? I am going to post you in Nagpur branch, and in Nagpur branch, you are an officer. You are given a target. You should get about 10 SB accounts within this month, and you must canvass loan account for roughly 1 crore.
Okay, okay.
How will you go
Um,
about that?
Sure. Talking about home loan accounts, home loans, sir. So what happened in Nagpur, na, sir, there are generally many realtors who are making so much big realtor project, housing projects. So what I can do is I'll make my branch tie up with that builder, so that whenever they sell a property, we can offer them we can directly offer them the credit facility from our branch. So it will be easy for me to get a lead from that contractor, and later on it will be my responsibility to convert that lead into a business for our branch. So that's how it can be somewhat easy for me in order to canvas the home loan account. Now talking about the savings account, sir, uh, in order to get the savings account, what I can do is basically for as to get a bulk savings account, it is necessary to canvas for a whole business group, so that from a big single business group we can get a salary account as well as a savings account from the same business group, sir.
Good. That's right. You are right. What you are telling is right. How much is a revenue stamp cost nowadays?
Revenue stamp cost around 100 and 150, sir. I'm not sure about I'm not sure
1
about that.
rupee. Just 1
Achha,
rupee, Baba.
that small revenue stamp you're talking.
Yeah. Arey Baba. For what purpose it is used? आपने तो
Normally,
आजकल भूल गया होगा इसका. अभी तो मेरे को कुछ रसीद देने के लिए चाहिए ना, इसलिए हम किसी मद्रास चेन्नई से आने वाला आदमी को ये लाने के लिए बोल दिया. देखो, दिस इज रेवेन्यू स्टैम्प. रेवेन्यू स्टैम्प देखा नहीं?
right. Nah, this used in the banking agreements. I have saw.
हाँ, नॉट एग्रीमेंट बाबा, डिमांड प्रॉमिसरी नोट. जब पैसा देते हैं ना, जब गोल्ड लोन देते हैं, कुछ लोन्स देते हैं, द बेसिक थिंग दैट इज पुट ऑन द रेवेन्यू प्रॉमिसरी नोट is only revenue stamp, 1 rupee revenue stamp.
Okay.
No problem. That's okay. Now, please tell me, what is the cost of one postal cover? Supposing I come to Chennai and you are writing a letter to me from Nagpur, how much should you affix on the cover?
No idea, sir. I haven't done that till now.
Why 5 rupees? ये भी नहीं जानते हैं because आपका ब्रांच में तो dispatch section होगा. आजकल सबको
Uh,
I think you are giving it to courier. I think you are not sending anything by post.
yes, because now branches are having the type with the courier companies, no? So the guy directly come and he took all the in bulk. So not particularly sure about the single revenue stamp and a postal cover
कुछ भी नहीं जानते.
because
Good.
the branch is having a tie with the courier company, no?
Which company? Professional couriers or what?
It is a professionally courier pro something like that, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा. Okay, okay. No problem. Absolutely no problem. Now let us go into banking. What are the deposit schemes Federal Bank is offering?
What are the
Deposit schemes.
uh, federal federal bank is having basically three what there are various types of savings account which the federal bank
You
offers.
don't have
Out of it,
you don't have to tell those details. Simply say savings bank account and other accounts. I
sure.
know
So
if they are asking you in detail, then you have to tell saving different types of savings account. Otherwise, simply say savings bank account and other 3 deposit accounts. Tell me.
sure. Savings bank account is there, then a current account is there, then salary account is there, and uh,
Fixed deposit
yes,
and recurring deposit.
right, sir.
Very good. अच्छा ये बताओ fixed deposit, recurring deposit. Now, why should I prefer Shreyas Kale? Why should I give preference to Shreyas Kale? हम क्यों आपको
Uh,
सेलेक्ट करना है?
yes. Because I feel that I should get a priority in selection because I do have a experience in IT company as well as in a banking sector. As we all know, Federal Bank is very well known for its digital transformation, which it has done from last 10 years. So from there, my prior experience in TCS will help. Moreover, Federal is totally comes in the banking industry, and it's been all. I do have a prior experience of banking industry also. So these both factors will help me to serve the federal bank in a better way. So hence I feel that yes, I deserve this opportunity.
Good, good. That is right. Now, what are your hobbies?
I like to cook, sir.
Acha.
I like to cook.
Do you stay alone in Delhi or along with some other friends?
No, sir. Actually, one more guy was recruited in my batch only, and we both posted to the same branch. So we both are living in a flat, 2 BHK flat.
How much is the cost now in 2 BHK
It is
flat?
around 12,000, sir, rent.
Not bad. किधर रहते हैं आप?
Lakshmi Nagar.
12,000 appear. What is the area? 800, 600 square feet. How much?
It is 5,500 square feet.
5,500 square feet.
Sorry, 550 square feet. My bad. 550 square feet.
ऐसा बोलो ना. Correct. Is it the ground floor or first floor?
Second floor, sir.
Is it lifted? You have a lift also?
We do no, sir. We don't have a lift because it is of only 5 floors, so lift facility is not there.
5 floors का lift नहीं है?
नहीं, sir.
वो बहुत दिन
It is
पहले
somewhat old.
बनाया
हाँ,
होगा. बहुत दिन
हाँ,
पहले
थोड़ा
बनाया
old
होगा.
construction है.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. लक्ष्मी नगर. अच्छा जी, you say you enjoy cooking and what is your schedule? रोज में क्या करते हैं? सुबह कितना बजे उठते हैं? क्या
I
करते हैं?
I I
बताइए.
I
बताइए.
normally woke up at around 6:30, sir,
I
and then
I normally wake up.
I normally wake up at 6:30, sir,
Okay.
and I from then 7 to 7:30 I go for exercise, and after coming from exercise I normally have a breakfast. Later on I get ready for the branch, and by 9 a.m. I leave my flat for office, and around 9:30 I reach to office. Then from 9:30 to around 7:30 to 8 I work in a branch, and as soon as I come I do have a maid. She cooks for me,
Oh,
and after
she
yeah,
cooks.
yes, sir.
Somebody cooks and keeps it. Acha, good, good.
Yes, sir. And as soon I get home, it's already a hectic schedule for the whole day. So I normally directly goes to the bed, and after having the dinner, I go for sleep. That's a normal schedule for
That is true. And yeah, she makes chapati and all for you. Chapati
me.
dal.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Normal,
Excellent.
typical North Indian food.
Excellent. Badhiya, badhiya. Good. Very nice. Now come to digital products. Can you tell me what is the technology used in FASTag system? What is the technology used? RDIF. Some radio
Uh,
frequency. I think anybody knows? Other those who are sitting here, Anu, Kivani, Manisha, Vishnu. Do you know what is the mechanism used? I know it is RDIF or something like that. You must be telling 1 minute. India FASTag uses which technology? Radio frequency identification technology, RFID. Hello,
okay.
RFID. Now, can you tell me about central bank digital currency?
Yes, sir. Recently it was uh, released. I guess it is named as Rupee or something. I'm not able to recall it.
Mhm. Good, no problem. Now, there is a bank, private bank having headquarters in Kolkata. Can you tell me what is the name of that bank? Because that bank has been recently given powers to do pension business also, disburse pension and other things. It is Bandhan Bank.
Ach-
Bandhan Bank. कोई बात नहीं, that is not very important. But this, what I am going to ask you now is very important. Can you tell me the name of 4 private sector banks having headquarters in Kolkata?
Okay.
So, sir, what did I ask? 4 private
Uh,
sector banks having headquarters in Kerala. Did I ask Kolkata?
yes, sir. You said Kolkata.
It's a mistake. Because I was, I started my career as officer in Kolkata. I used to eat shingada, रसगुल्ला, everything every day, superb. पर आजकल कुछ कर सकता नहीं है. बट नव अभी बताओ केरला में
Uh,
क्या क्या बैंक्स है जिसको हेडक्वार्टर्स उधर ही है?
I as of now I can recall around 3, sir. One is definitely it's Federal Bank. Second is Dhanlakshmi Bank, and third is Catholic Syrian Bank. Something is like that. Catholic Syrian Bank.
See, you have forgotten second biggest bank in Kerala, South Indian Bank,
Okay, South Indian Bank.
Thrissur. All these banks are having headquarters in Thrissur.
Trishur.
Yeah, I think
Unless the Dhanlakshmi Bank is also one of them, na sir?
yeah, that is also in Thrissur.
Okay, right.
Now, what is the interest rate on Sukanya Samriddhi deposit scheme?
No, sir, I am not aware of it.
What is the premium for Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana?
It is around 150 rupees, sir.
Wrong, 20 rupees. Only 20 rupees, Baba. It covers only accidental insurance. 2 lakhs rupees. What is the insurance premium for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? 436 rupees. Now,
Okay.
but tell me, what is APY?
It is Atal Pension Yojana, sir.
What is that?
Which
What is Atal Pension Yojana?
Atal Pension Yojana is rolled out by government or central government of India, in which it was passed in the 2015 budget,
पुराना
and
पुराना स्टोरी सब मत बोलो, अभी क्या स्कीम है ये बताओ.
if the person is starting from the age of 18, then he has to if he's contributing till 40 to age, then the monthly premium will be around 210 rupees, and
You are not on the right track. Atal Pension Yojana scheme is a scheme for unorganized sector people. People in the age group of 18 to 40 can open their account and they have to pay premium, they have to pay installments till they are attaining the age of 60. And as per this scheme, the candidate, the depositors are eligible for a pension of 1,000 to 5,000. So if you want 1,000 rupees pension from 60th year, and if your age is 38, you will pay some amount. If you are 18 years, you will pay some amount. So that is the scheme known as Atal Pension Yojana. What is the similar scheme for organized sector people, which you are also a member? You are also a member of that.
NPS, sir, National Pension Scheme.
Excellent. Good. What is the expansion of SEBI?
Security Exchange Board of India.
Who is the chairperson of SEBI? Mrs. Madhabi Puri Buch.
Correct.
What is IRDAI?
Insurance Regulatory Develop. Just a second, sir. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India.
Where is its headquarters?
It is in Mumbai.
Good. No. Hyderabad, Baba. Hyderabad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, who is the chairman of that?
IRD.
Mr.
No, sir.
Mr. Deboshish Panda. You are in Delhi. What is G20?
G20 is a group of top 20 economies, sir, in which 19 are countries. Another one is European economy, which consists of around 80% of global GDP. And each year, the presidency is held by one different member countries. Previously, it was Indonesia. Currently, it is India. Soon on 8.
Next
Yes,
next year, who is going to hold?
Next year, I'm not sure, sir. Previously, it was Indonesia. Now it's India. Next year,
I have posted in our Facebook. 1 minute. Facebook, just a minute. Samba 7, Srinivasan, Nejus, Career Point. Just a minute. Because I posted a video also on that.
Brazil, sir.
No. Next, it is going to be Brazil. 2024, it is going to be Brazil. 2025, it is going to be Germany. And then 2000, then that is one. Then, sorry, Germany is G7, 2022. 23, it is Japan. And G7, Italy, 2024. Now, please tell me, next Summer Olympic will take place in 2024 in which city?
It will be in Paris, sir.
Are you sure?
Summer Olympics. Yes, sir.
Paris is the answer. Correct. And next is Los Angeles 2028. 2032, it is going to be Brisbane, Australia.
Okay.
Very good. I think you have covered more or less all my questions. You did very well. You did very well. I will give you 9.5 out of 10. And
Thank you.
if I have power, I will select you, but power is not there in my hands. But देखा जाएगा जैसे अब अच्छा जी करंट अफेयर्स में और कुछ ज्यादा पढ़ना है उधर जाके बोलना है अभी किस चीज को इंपोर्ट मना किया है
Laptop have been banned, sir, as well as wheat, as well as basmati rice. Non-basmati rice is also banned
what for what that is export this is
for
import
export. For export and from import, laptop is banned.
yeah good then what is the restriction levied on your state favorite one onion your state only has levied this problem फेवरेट आइटम का ऊपर में एक्सपोर्ट टैक्स लगा दिया आपका महाराष्ट्र स्टेट ऑनियन ऑनियन के ऊपर में टैक्स
हाँ.
लगा दिया that's what
Right.
it is anyhow best wishes you did extremely well god bless you